Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. Long time no see you. Anyway, I was a bit under the weather and I had a severe cold that turned to pneumonia, and that made me I couldn't craft, I couldn't function, and plus after I start crafting a bit, I couldn't talk because I cough a lot, and that's annoying to hear in a video, and anyway, I'm getting there. Anyway, so let's start. I have two really delayed sorry, design team projects to show you, and let's start with this one. This one is created, as you know, my design team projects are for Tsunami Rose Designs, and I will put all the links below. And she's having a huge sale, 50% off, 50% off, if you purchase $50 product, 50. So I will put all the links below. This trunk journal is made with the beautiful kits that she made, and they are black and white. You may see different color here, but the actual kit is black and white. And I just printed, for example, here it's a page that you can use as an ephemera and cut them because they are individual ephemera, but you can use as a page also. So all the ephemeras that you see, they come like that because you can use them. She has made it as a collage, so you can use them both ways, as a page or as ephemera. But the actual print is black and white, and I print it on coffee stain paper. So here the cover, it's actually canvas, printed canvas, canvas sheets. And I did a zigzag stitch where the page comes like that. Let me show you. The page comes like that. It already comes like this, so you don't do the collage. So I printed on canvas paper, and then I did a zigzag stitch where the advertise were joined, where the collage was joined. So it looks like it's a collage, but it's not actually. It looks like it's a quilt, but it's not actually. And then I coffee stain it. That's why it looks so dark. It doesn't look white as actually is. So the printables are black and white, and you can see it in different colors just because I printed in different color paper. Inside, I just put some canvas fabric, the stuff that we paint, and I coffee stain it. This book smells a lot with coffee because I coffee stain really heavily. It's I mean, it's a lot of coffee. Let me tell you the dimensions. The dimensions are 33 or 30.5 centimeters. That's 5.5 inches, and it's 90 centimeters tall, and that is almost 8 inches. It's one signature, and it's many pages and full of place for you to write. So because the paper I coffee stained a lot, the only not so good thing that I can mention is that I make the pages a bit, the image is a bit blurry. If you print them in black and white, it will be more bright. Or if you print them on a paper that is colored already by the company, it's not coffee stained, but it has a color from its own, then it will show more bright. But with the coffee stain, it looks not too much, but a bit blurry. I don't know if I can explain that. It doesn't come so bright as it will be if the paper was not coffee stained. So the images are stunning. I was in love with that kit. You can use it in many ways. Sorry. You can use it in various ways. This is stencil with coffee. I told you this has a lot of heavy coffee. This is a logistic book page. This first I printed and then I coffee stained. That's why the lines came like that, but I like the effect. This is from the pages I told you, the ephemera pages that you can use as, you know, a complete page. And I just place it here. I love the, because it's very rustic, it's very, you know, natural looking, and it doesn't have a lot of colors, and I like it. And you can print it in every color of paper that you want, and it will have a different result and will match all your projects. So this is another one. Here, this is the jars and tag. Here, as you can see, and I will make a tutorial about it, I made a snippet roll. Can you see how huge it is? This is more than 3 or 4 yards. I make a snippet roll with our leftovers, and I will show you how easy to make it, how easy it is to make it. And you can use it to make ephemeras if you cut it in small parts, to make pockets, to make tag spots, to make whatever you wish, and even to make a complete page if you will wish. So this is what I did here, and we have Greek ledger pages and city pages, and the pages are stunning. I really love that collage, and that is black and white, and you can make it as you wish. So I took the ephemeras. What I did is I cut all the ephemeras down. I really cut all the ephemeras down, and then I created my own collages. The pages, most of the pages, only these pages are thin. Most of the pages are cardstock. So even the ephemera is printed on cardstock, and then I make stitch all around, and I did the collage. And I'm rambling and rambling, I'm talking too much. And here's the ephemera. Here's the tag set, and here's part of the ephemera. So creating my own type of collage. Even this is cardstock. So here we have an envelope. Look at these beautiful pages. And we have an envelope. Beautiful pages. I love the pages with the lines. And I told you again, this is not printed in white paper. If you print it in white paper, you will have a different result. An ephemera, you can put something over there. One of the ephemeras I make a pocket, and we have pocket ephemera, and another collage here with ephemeras. And this is you know, a go with all kit. These are go with all kits because they are black and white. You can put them and add them in whatever theme journal you're making. They are stunning kits. It's really great, amazing idea that you made. So I stitch this, and it's like a notepad. They are the mason jars. And I told you, for example, this is a bit blurry just because I coffee stained after I printed because it's thin paper. when you print in thin paper, you can coffee stain the paper first. It will damage your printer. Even if you iron it, you will see stuff that I don't like that. So I prefer to coffee stain it after, and that gives me a watery result, but I really like it. It looks more rustic like this. This is the center of the signature. So we have another envelope here. And another postcard. Daisy Collins has a new Etsy store. It's not an actually Etsy store, it's still from the Etsy provider, but it's actually her own individual like page or something. And I will put the link below so you can go and take advantage of the huge sale that she's having now. And it's 50% off if you buy stuff that's worth $50 and more. So you can go and purchase, for example, her amazing junk journals. This is another collage. Her amazing junk journals with half price. That's amazing. Or kits that are already printed, or any printable kit you wish, and you can get many kits and pay half for it. That's an amazing opportunity. Plus, she does live streaming, and she can show you huge variation of different tutorials. She's like a factory. I mean, she's really productive, and you can see huge variations with ephemeras and paper clips and how to make journals and different versions of stuff. She's very creative. And she does it every day from Monday to Friday in her channel, and on weekends he presents them or does tutorials, or show you how to film, or show you more educational stuff, and you will find her channel amazing. You will love it. It's amazing channel for beginners, but not only for beginners, for people that love junk journals. I will put all the links below. I totally love these pages. I really love this kit. I will make one without coffee stain paper. This book really smells coffee. Here it's also a tag spot there, pocket, I mean. Another collage. And that's the end of it. Sorry. That's why I don't speak too much, because it makes me cough. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget, share, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. I hope you like it. And don't forget to visit Daisy's store so you can see her yummy, amazing goodies. We will speak later. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye. Nice to see you all. Bye bye.